every video you're seeing right now made by simply prompting Claude. Claude just got a new skill called Remotion, and people are using it to make product demos, motion graphics, full YouTube videos, just by typing what they want. To prove this actually works, I'm breaking it down in 3 levels. First, we get set up, install what we need, connect the skills. Then, we make your first videos from scratch with your own footage. Then, we go deeper. Voiceovers, generated visuals, turning anything into a video, 0 technical background needed, because all we're doing is talking to Claude. Let's get into it. All right, step 1, Google Claude Desktop. Download the Mac or Windows version, open it up, you'll see 3 options: Chat, Cowork, and Code. Hit Cowork, that's your starting point. Now we need to give Claude the ability to create videos. I've put the exact command in the description below. All you're doing is copy-pasting it. Think of it like a cheat code you're handing Claude. One thing before you run it, create a dedicated folder first. Call it Remotion Videos. Set that as your working folder inside Cowork. Keeps everything clean and organized. Then, paste the command. Tell Claude, set this up for me. Claude installs everything automatically. No coding, no terminal knowledge. Done. Now let's make your first video. I'm asking Claude to create a product demo for a website using the same colors, pulling the copy straight from the page. Now this is important. Claude is going to ask you for browser permission before it does anything. You'll see a pop-up just to prove it. That's Claude asking, "Can I open the website?" Say yes. Once you do, Claude literally goes to the website, scrapes everything it needs, and uses it to build the video. You didn't write a single line of code. Now you might hit an error message here. It'll say something about a sandboxed VM. Don't panic. It just means Cowork has some limits. The fix is simple. Switch to Claude Code. Go to Code, select the same Remotion Videos folder. Now here's the important part. Before you type your prompt, type plan ask first, then write your prompt. This tells Claude Code to think before it acts. Way more reliable. Server spins up, click the link, and there it is, a fully rendered motion graphic video from one prompt. It grabbed the copy, matched the colors, built the animations, all from typing. Anything that looks off, you just fix it by talking. Wrong logo? Drag the file directly into the chat. Tell Claude, use this asset everywhere a logo appears. It updates instantly. When you're happy, hit render. Claude exports the final video file, ready to use. That's level 1, but level 2 is where it gets actually crazy. Level 2 is skill stacking, and there are 2 things this unlocks that level 1 can't do. First, consistent styling across every video. Right now, Claude might use slightly different colors or fonts each time. To fix that, create one centralized folder with all your assets, your logos, your brand colors, your images, everything. Point Claude to that folder. From now on, every video it makes pulls from that folder. Consistent branding, every single time. Second, voice and images. What if your video could also talk? What if it could generate its own visuals? Here's an example. Same type of video, but now it has a professional AI voiceover, generated images, and consistent branding throughout. Claude using Remotion, 11 Labs, and Nano Banana Pro all at once. One prompt built that entire thing. So how do you set this up? First, we need Claude's notebook. Go to Claude and type exactly this. Can you create a claude.md file for yourself? I want you to store your instructions in it. If I ask you to create a video, use Remotion. When I give you access to new skills, update this file, and always check it before doing anything I ask. Claude creates the file. You can open it. It's just a plain text document. But now, it's Claude's memory. You teach it something new, it writes it down. Next time you open Claude, it already knows. Now, to give Claude access to 11 Labs and Nano Banana Pro, go to WaveSpeed. Link is in the description. Sign in, grab your API key, then go back to Claude and type, "Here is my WaveSpeed API key. Whenever I ask for a voiceover, use 11 Labs V3. Whenever I ask for images, use Nano Banana Pro. Save all of this to claude.md." Claude saves it. Done. From now on, Every single video you make has voice and image generation built in automatically. Now I just say, add a voiceover to that video using 11 Labs, and Claude does exactly that.
Powered scheduling made simple. Tired of scheduling chaos?
Professional AI voice, branded visuals, motion graphics, all from typing. That's level 2.